Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today in this video I'm going to show you one more trick which you can use inside Xcode. So let's get started. So here you can see I have this code which is inside this function, but if I want to move this code outside this function, you can just directly select this, cut this and paste it outside. But there is one more way, and that is first select the text. It's not necessary that you need to select complete from start to end. You can just select like this. So it is highlighting two rows here, and now on the keyboard if I press option command and the closing square bracket, it will move the text outside, and it will take down the number of times you will press the square bracket, close square bracket, it will take down. And if you press the same command option and open square bracket, it will move that text up. So this is one shortcut you must have seen in many videos, but you must be not knowing how to use it. So to use this functionality, what you have to do is first select the rows, and then on keyboard press option command open square bracket to move the text up, and option command square bracket to move the selected rows below. So that's the shortcut, guys, I want to show you in today's video. I hope you have liked this and you will use it while working on different projects. So thank you guys for watching this video and have a great day. Bye.